Hello, and welcome to our new digital library here at Minnows, and it's called MackinVIA. This is a resource that's available to everyone at Minnesota Online High School. And to access it, first make sure that you are logged into your Outlook account, so make sure that you are logged into your email, and then use the link that'll be provided in your classroom. It's mnohs.mackinvia, MACKINVIA.com. Once you are logged in, you should see Minnesota Online High School here in the upper left corner, and you should see Welcome and your name in the upper right-hand corner. You are free to browse around in this library and use any of the resources that you come across. In this short tutorial today, I'm mainly going to show you how to access and use the online databases. So when you first log into MackinVIA, you'll land on the home page. It'll look like this. There are current events articles, and then they list a number of suggestions, some of the newer things that have been added, some highly rated things, and some top resources, meaning things that have been accessed a lot. As I mentioned today, we are going to take a close look at databases. So if you go in the upper left-hand corner to Explore, use the drop-down menu, and go to Databases. Databases themselves are like another library. Anything that you find in a database has been read and published and edited by someone else. It's like a real brick and mortar library. You know that anything that's on the library shelf has been published and selected. Unlike a website where anybody can publish it and put things up there, a database is a collection of things that have been published and reviewed. The main database that we're going to look at today is this one called Gale in Context High School. To make things easier, each time that you log into MackinVIA and you select a source, you can add it to your favorites. You click on the little heart, and then the next time that you sign in to the library, anything that you favorited will show up in your backpack under favorites. So you can see, there it is. And that'll save you time from having to search for that resource a second time. This database contains a wealth of information that you'll be able to use in a number of different classes. For world literature, we're mainly going to be using this to research different literary texts and authors. So for week 1, let's take a look at Leo Tolstoy. It will give you back a number of resources, and it will sort them according to the type of resource. You can see all of them here. There's a lot. Let's take a look at biographies to start with, because we want to find out a little bit about who Leo Tolstoy was. You're free to look through any of these, but let's just choose this first one. And there is a biography of Leo Tolstoy. I'm going to show you a couple of different things, and this is true across the board when you're working with online databases. The first thing that I want you to notice is that there's a number of ways for you to save this article, and I'd recommend saving it some way. You can download it directly to your Microsoft OneDrive that you have in the school. You can email it to yourself, or you can download it or print it. You can see those options are up here in the right-hand corner as well. Here's the other thing that I think is extremely helpful. These 2 quotation marks here where it says cite, if you click on this, it gives you the citation. Remember, whenever you consult a source, whether you use it word for word or you put it in your own words, you need to give credit for it. Anything from the databases automatically gives you the correct citation. So all we need to do is to copy this and paste it into your worksheet or your bibliography, whatever it is you're working with. So make sure you remember to do this as well. And then you can read your article and get the information about Leo Tolstoy. If you have questions about how to use this resource, please contact me and let me know. And also feel free to browse around and see all the different things that you can discover in our new MackinVIA digital library.